Top 10 things we realized over this past weekend. Number 10. We can fit 10 people in your Ford Escape. Number 9. Gay men and 17-year-old high school girls are one and the same. Number 8. Deaf people cannot hear you, but they can read lips. Oops. Number 7. 4 men can pee in the same toilet at the same time, while others can pee in Jimmy Martin's shower. Number 6. Noise complaints are easy to get at the Sheraton. Number 5. Our group of 10 people were the only ones not rolling at 2 a.m. club. Number 4. Kesha is not a good role model for gay men or vice versa. Number 3. If Michael Martinez enters his phone number into your phone, he can be found under first name, horror, last name, worth it. Number 2. Jimmy Martin's bed is really comfortable for two. Too bad he's never slept in it. And number 1. Everyone in their underwear for Tracks Underwear Night should not have been in them, and everyone who weren't in their underwear should have been. Just saying.